Hello, it's me, Jimmy T. Married with PMU. Today we tried the black ink. Okay, last time I tried the Mast Triple Black. Okay, very dark on the practice skin. So, of course, I want to try manufacturers. Okay, they don't allow to test on the animal, but they didn't say cannot test on Jimmy T. So, Jimmy T tests the ink into Jimmy T. Okay, now this is the Mast Triple Black, very dark on the practice skin. Now, I'm going to compare, okay, Eternal and Dynamic. I try to compare these three ink, okay? Now, because of this test, I try to be very accurate. So what I'm going to do is like, every time I change different ink, I will change the needles. Everything is by using the proper tattoo procedures. Everything sterilized, everything clean. Okay, so of course try on my hand. Now, last time I tried the ever after pigment, still there, pretty good. So I try to extend a little bit, okay, make the little bit track a little bit longer. Okay, agree? No? Yes? Now my purpose to do this video is testing which blacks is really black, really deep, okay, into the skin. Now the machines I'm using, okay, I have another video talk about that one, Mast Tattoo Fly. This is 3.0 millimeter stroke. I tested on practice skin. It's very good for mini tattoo. Very good on mini tattoo. So I'm going to using that one voltage. I'm going to set up at 7.0 voltage. Maybe during the video I will adjust, okay, and tell you what the feeling. So Mast, okay, 0603RL. Now I should using 08 or 10, something like that, but this is only I have this moment. I need to reorder more. So now maybe I talk too much. Very accurate. Okay, I have two camera right there. I shut down this one and then let's start right there. Okay, we'll see you a little bit. Okay, you know what? Like this is too fine. The line is too fine. I cannot really test nothing. So the line is extremely too fine. So now I move to another level. Okay, I find something 1003. Okay, so just bigger diameter so to see what's going on. Yeah, because I want to make the test so precise. Now I get ready the sear on the side just in case. Okay, so if this machine is not good enough, I switch to another machines. So see how many tests I do. So let me switch to 6.5, see what's going on first, okay? So I tried this one, okay, and then I'm going to using the empty area. I have no choice. So I can feel like a little bit tickle already. The line is still fine, but at least I can see better Yeah, the lining do pretty good, but I don't know, man. The lining do pretty good, but the shading, I. Okay, try the Eternal. Oh, the ink is delayed. Like right now, the color showing a little. Still like super fine, the line. Damn, this one like take the ink a lot faster. So it's a machine. So at least like 3.5 millimeters stroke length is a lot better. Okay, my secret weapon, okay? Faux Pro. Got a little bit better, but my skin already like get burned already. So Okay, I pump it up to 4.2 stroke length, okay? Okay, finally, like I give up. Okay, kind of done. Okay, so end up this is the brand new one. So you see the camera? Yeah, let me see. Okay, so now the finally result. Okay, figured out something. Sorry to say that like this is a little bit weak. Okay, maybe this is the thing. I'm using one hand to stress my skin. So when you stress the skin, 3-point stress, maybe a lot better. But sorry to say that I only can using one hand. Now I tried the 0603 RL. So the line is too fine. So until I change it to 1003 RLLT, this is long taper. So the results are a lot better. I using in the beginning, I'm using which one? Like this one, Flies 3.0 millimeter stroke, and then I switched to Sear. These two are about the same, and then I pump it up using the Mast tools, getting a little bit better, and then end up I switched to Full Pro. Okay, Full Pro. In the beginning, I'm using 3.9 millimeter stroke length, and then end up I switched to 4.2 millimeter stroke length, and then the ink get into the skin. So that's why like penetrate, very important. So the stroke length 4.2 better. Again, because I didn't stretch the skin enough because I'm using one hand. So now the ink is easier to get into the skin. I do so many tests, so many like this and that. The easiest, okay? Now, I don't want to against any company, okay? This is my personal because like sometimes my skin maybe take this ink better than another one. I would say this one, when I do the shading, boom, the ink get into my skin very well. Now shading, okay, lining not bad, but lining somehow, boom, get into the skin like this one. When I do the lining, boom, get into the skin. Now I'm not a professional tattoo artist, okay, I'm a professional PMU artist, so that's why my hand, like my pressure, I've been trained in not going that deep. So I've been like doing more and more, like my hand, like push down a little bit more. So when I hand out, so I'm pretty sure this is longer than 1 millimeter, is about 1.5 millimeters hand out. So I get the depth into the skin almost, I can feel like some heat is touching the needle shell. So that means my depth is pretty much the ranges between 1 millimeters to 1.5 millimeters, okay? So yeah, I'm happy with it, but why not? So that's why maybe you can see now, maybe you can see better, okay? Maybe you can see now, this one is the dynamic ink, okay? I was using the Mast Tattoo Flies with 0603RL. See, when I do this, boom, the ink get into the skin very well. Boom, see the line work. I would say this one to me, to my skin, okay? And then the triple black, when I do the shading, it's easier to get into the skin now based on, you see my video, a lot of change the voltage, change the machine, something like that, change the needle as well. So as a artist, okay, sometimes you need to carry like different machines, different stroke length, different needle size as well, like different ink as well. So depends on the customers. Hey, this cannot really get into the skin. You need to switch it and figure it out what's going on. Woo! Feel burn a little bit, but hey, So that's why the way I do is like I don't want to show you, okay, this is the result, and then I will give you the whole process, what the problem I'm facing, okay? What the problem I'm facing, you will facing the same problem. But when I facing a problem, I will tell you what adjustment I did, and then like what is the result in it getting better and better. Sometimes I've been artist, like this is year 6 as a PMU artist, okay? This becomes year 6. So a lot of time is like you almost there, but just a little bit, you switch a little bit, change a little bit, make it big difference. So how easy you try it. I don't encourage you to try like me, but hey, this is one of the good solution, okay? Because when you do it, the thing is, when you do it on your skin, okay, you can tell, okay, this pressure, okay, this is good for you or what, because this will give you the feeling, oh, this is a little bit painful, and honestly it's not that bad, something like that. Yes, of course the lining is like a little bit more painful, but the shading is so relaxing, okay? From the mistake, from the pain you have, you will grow, you will be closer to success. This is my mentality, this is my channel mentality. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.